Imagine running a blog that automatically publishes articles, ranks on Google, and brings in steady monthly income from affiliate links and SaaS tools, without you ever writing a single post manually. Sound too good to be true? Thanks to today's AI tools, it's not only possible, it's becoming one of the most scalable side hustles of 2025. In this video, I'll show you how complete beginners are using AI blogging to build passive income systems that generate money month after month. Whether you're looking for a new income stream or a fully automated online business, this strategy might just be your breakthrough. You're watching Money Strategies with Prince. If you want actionable content that helps you earn smarter, not harder, hit that subscribe button, and let's begin. Why AI blogging is exploding in 2025. Traditional blogging used to be hard, brainstorming ideas, writing long-form posts, editing, formatting, doing SEO, and promoting, all by yourself. That's why many people gave up before seeing results. But 2025 has changed the game. Now tools like ChatGPT, Koala Writer, Surfer SEO, and 𝐟𝐸𝐺𝐸 allow you to create fully optimized articles in minutes. Add automation platforms like Zapier or WordPress schedulers, and you can publish content hands-free. This means you can launch a blog today, fill it with 20 to 30 articles in a week, and have it start generating money from affiliate programs, especially SaaS tools, display ads, digital products, email marketing, sponsored content. Step 1. Choose a high-income niche. To make money blogging, the most important decision is your niche. Go where money already flows. Pick a topic with high traffic volume, monetizable intent, products or services to promote. Here are proven blogging niches: AI tools and productivity software, personal finance and investing, remote work and freelancing, marketing and content creation, health and self-improvement. The trick is to go niche within a niche. Instead of finance, go with budgeting for freelancers. Instead of AI tools, go for AI tools for teachers, or AI for content creators. Use tools like Google Trends, Ubersuggest, or no-fluff.io to validate your niche before you start writing. Step 2. Set up a simple WordPress blog. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just follow these steps. Buy a domain on Namecheap. Get hosting from Bluehost, SiteGround, or Hostinger. Install WordPress. One-click setup from most hosts. Choose a fast-loading theme like Astra or Cadence. Install essential plugins, Rank Math SEO, WP Forms, and a cache plugin like W3 Total Cache. Set up your basic pages: home, about, blog, contact privacy policy. Now your platform is ready to receive AI-generated content. Step 3. Use AI to create high-quality content. You don't need to be a writer anymore. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Here's a content creation workflow using AI. Use ChatGPT or Koala Writer to generate blog posts. Use Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer to optimize for keywords. Add images using Pexels, Unsplash, or AI-generated visuals. Upload to WordPress, format with headings, and schedule. For example, say your niche is AI tools. Use a prompt like, write a 1,200-word blog post reviewing the top 5 AI tools for email marketing in 2025. Edit lightly, add your affiliate links, and it's ready to publish. Goal: 20 to 30 articles in the first month. That builds domain authority fast. Step 4. Automate posting and sharing. Use WordPress's built-in scheduler to spread your content over time. You can write 10 posts in one weekend and schedule them for the next 30 days. To push traffic, use automation tools like Zapier or IFTTT. Auto-share posts to Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook Publer, or Buffer. Schedule social media content in batches. Newsletter plugins to email subscribers new posts automatically. If you want to go 100% hands-free, train a VA virtual assistant to publish your AI-written content for you at scale. Step 5. Monetize through SaaS affiliate programs. This is where things get exciting. Promoting SaaS, software as a service tools, gives you access to recurring monthly commissions, high-ticket payouts, programs with free trials, easier to convert. Some top SaaS affiliate programs: Jasper AI, 30% recurring; Notion, $5 to $10 per sign-up; Grammarly, $20 plus per premium user. ConvertKit, 30% recurring. 𝐬𝐻IV, newsletter monetization. WriteSonic AI copywriting tools, example article titles, top 5 AI writing tools for bloggers in 2025. Why ConvertKit is my favorite email platform for new creators. Place your affiliate links in buttons and within the article body. Use thirsty affiliates or pretty links to track performance. Step 6. Add passive monetization with ads and digital products once your blog gets traffic. Apply for ad networks. Google AdSense easy entry point 𝐬𝐶 after 1,000 page views. Mediavine after 50,000 sessions per month. You can also create small digital products like AI prompt packs, templates, Notion, Canva, mini ebooks written by ChatGPT, tool comparison guides with affiliate links inside. Sell these via Gumroad, Payhip, or Shopify Lite. Promote them in your blog sidebar, within posts, and on your email list. Step 7. Build an email list early. Email is still the most reliable way to build a business around your blog. Set up free tools like MailerLite or ConvertKit. Free plan. Create a lead magnet. Free 10 AI prompts for content creators. Add opt-in forms to your site using plugins like WP Forms or Thrive Leads. Use ChatGPT to generate welcome emails, newsletter content, product announcements. A 1,000 subscriber list can easily earn you $500 to $2,000 per month if you offer the right tools and digital products. Step 8. Track results and double down. Once your blog is live and content is ranking, use Google Analytics to track traffic sources, Search Console to monitor search performance, Bitly or Pretty Links to measure affiliate clicks, find out which posts convert best, then create more in the same style. Update winning posts every 2 to 3 months for freshness and SEO. The goal is to build topical authority. Google rewards sites that go deep, not wide. Real income example. Let's say your blog gets 5,000 visits per month. You promote Jasper AI, 1% convert. 50 people, at $30 average commission. That's $1,500 per month. Add 𝐬𝐶 ads is equal to $50 to $100 per month. Sell a $15 AI prompt pack to 1% of readers is equal to $750 per month. That's over $2,300 per month, with content you didn't write manually. Scale this with more traffic and more SaaS offers, and it's possible to hit $5,000 to $10,000 per month in under 12 months. AI blogging is the future. In 2025, blogging is no longer about sitting and writing for hours. It's about systems, strategy, and smart automation. With AI content tools and affiliate programs, anyone can build an evergreen income stream with low overhead and high returns. The blog you start today could be the asset that pays you for years. And best of all, you don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to start. If this video helped you think bigger, hit that like button and subscribe to Money Strategies with Prince for more AI-powered money strategies and online income guides. If you started an AI blog today, what niche would you choose? Let me know below. I'd love to help you brainstorm content ideas.